Hello, we're notable 3Ls JP Rankin,
And Bree Harris.
but you already knew that. And today we are going to discuss with you about how to start an oral argument for this upcoming moot court tournament. Bree?
So when you begin your oral argument, you're going to step up to the podium and bring with you a folder with two pieces of paper taped or stapled onto each side so that you can lay out your argument in front of you in an outline form without having to flip pages or anything like that. You'll see sitting in front of you three justices. The middle justice is the Chief Justice. So when you begin your argument, you want to make sure to say, "May it please the court," look at the justices, and especially the middle justice, the Chief Justice. Make sure that they're ready for you to begin. Also, make sure that if you do want to bring up a pen with you, that you don't hold it or click it during your argument. The justices will definitely notice that.
Going off of that, with pens, in fact, just don't even, bring it up with you because it's very annoying and you'll use it like a pointer and it'll just be, it'll look like a wand and nobody likes that. Anyway, moving on, with what you're doing when you go up there, you are first of all going to start with your introduction. And how that basically breaks down is essentially telling the justices who you are and what you are asking for them or of them today. So, for instance, I would go up there and I would say, "May it please the court. Good afternoon, Your Honors. My name is J.P. Rankin, and I, along with my co-counsel, Bree Harris, will be asking this court to grant cert." And essentially, you're just telling them, again, who you are and what you're doing there. From there, you're going to go and do your roadmap. And the roadmap essentially consists of no more than 2 or 3 main points that you consider to be your strongest about your argument that you will be using to refer back to and to organize your overall oral argument. So your roadmap basically gives the justices an indication of exactly where you're going and what you'll be arguing for over the course of the next 10 minutes. Periodically throughout the oral argument, you will refer back to your roadmap as a way of structuring and keeping the justices on the same track as you are.
And make sure that you have that introduction and roadmap memorized. You do not want to look down at your paper until you get through the roadmap. Don't be surprised if a justice does jump in and ask you a question right away. You can always go back to your roadmap. But generally, you will be able to get through a brief introduction and your roadmap before they begin asking you questions.